Imagine a world where humans gain superhuman strength, where heavy lifting becomes effortless, and where disabilities no longer define a person's limits. And in China, the development of mechanical exoskeletons is at the forefront of this technological revolution. For the military, they're a game changer, enabling soldiers to carry heavier loads and move faster without exhaustion. In warehouses and factories, these exoskeletons are reducing workplace injuries, saving billions in healthcare costs, and redefining the future of manual labor. But perhaps the most heartwarming use is in medicine. Rehabilitation exoskeletons are giving patients their lives back, helping them stand, walk, and even run again. It's not just about technology. It's about the people it empowers. Imagine grandparents walking alongside their grandchildren without pain, or workers returning home without aches after a long day. These are the real stories behind the innovation. The possibilities seem limitless. From revolutionizing industries to restoring independence to individuals, this is a glimpse into a future where humans and machines work in perfect harmony. The question is no longer if these devices will change our lives, but how soon. So, what do you think? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new age where every person can become a superhero? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the future is closer than you think.